Here it is. What's the date? January what? Here it is, January 21st. Here comes our neighbors from Nashville that brought this damn stuff down here with them. Go for it. This is a rare experience here in Southeast Texas. So some people like it, some don't. And it is coming down. Here's the front of our house. And I mean, it's coming down real nice right now. They're predicting somewhere between 2 to 5 inches. Well, I think we're pretty close to probably 1, maybe 2. But not too sure how this is showing up on GoPro, but it is definitely coming down. And that is my brother-in-law and sister-in-law camped back there. They came down from Nashville to get away from this stuff, and they brought it with them. But it's 8 o'clock in the morning, a little bit after 8, and probably an hour or so I'll step back out here and show you some more pictures or get another video. And actually, it's like just a short time I've been out here, it looks like it is getting worse. Well, all I can say, it's time for some coffee. I think I said earlier, January 20th is actually January 21. And this is through the window. If you can see that we are officially in a blizzard condition, according to the National Weather Service. And it's been a long time since I've seen something like this. Of course, not here. This is the first time it's ever had blizzards warning here. As you can tell, it is definitely snowing.
First ever blizzard in recorded weather history in Jefferson County, Texas.